Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for January 9, 2024, describing the two planets and moon that are visible before sunrise. Please see the article that includes diagrams of the events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:18 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:38 p.m. Spot Mercury, Moon, and Venus in the southeastern sky before daybreak. At 45 minutes before the sun rises, brilliant Venus, simply that bright star in the southeast, is over 15 degrees above the horizon. The planet's altitude, height above the horizon, is noticeably lower each week. Since New Year's Day, Venus lost nearly 20 minutes of rising time compared to the Sun, resulting in a lower altitude each morning during morning twilight. As the morning star appears lower in the sky, it may be necessary to find another location to spot the planet because of nearby visual obstacles. That change of location might be necessary this morning to see the crescent moon, 5% illuminated, less than 5 degrees above the horizon and over 12 degrees to the lower left of Venus. The moon is at the new moon phase in 2 mornings at 5:57 a.m. CST. This is the last morning to easily see it before it reappears in the evening sky as a razor-thin crescent in 3 nights. Look for earthshine, a soft glow of sunlight reflected from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land that lights up the lunar night. Mercury is 7.7 degrees to the upper left of the lunar crescent and nearly 10 degrees above the horizon. The planet and the lunar orb are too far apart to fit into the same binocular field of view. Either is just outside the field of view that contains the other. Mercury is making its first morning appearance of the year. The planet reaches its greatest separation from the Sun, known as the greatest elongation, in 3 mornings. After Venus, Mercury is the next brightest star-like body in the sky this morning, although its brightness is somewhat muted by twilight's colors. It is visible without a binocular, but initially finding the planet with the binocular is helpful. In addition to the 2 bright planets, 3 bright stars, Vega, Altair, and Deneb, known as the Summer Triangle, are in the east-northeast. The name is given collectively to the 3 stars because the pattern is in the east-northeast after sunset during early summer. When the sky darkens tonight, the triangle is in the west-northwest. Because these stars are far northward and the sun is far southward, they can appear in both the morning and evening sky. They rise before sunrise, trek westward during the daytime, and appear in the west-northwest after sunset. The farther north a celestial body, the longer it is in the sky. This morning, Vega is less than halfway up in the east-northeast. The star, part of Lyra the Lyre, is about 25 light-years away and shines with an intensity of nearly 50 suns. It is the 3rd brightest star that is visible from the mid-northern latitudes. Arcturus, high in the southern sky this morning, is 2nd brightest. From any latitude, Sirius is the brightest nighttime star. Now below the horizon, the star appears in the southeastern sky during the early evening hours. It rises at sunset on the 29th. Altair, part of Aquila the Eagle and over 6 degrees above the east horizon, is the 8th brightest star for mid-northern hemisphere sky watchers. About 17 light-years away, it shines with a brightness of over 10 suns. Deneb, the tail of Cygnus the Swan, is over 20 degrees above the northeast horizon. It is the 14th brightest in the mid-northern hemisphere, one of the most brilliant stars in the sun's extended neighborhood. At a distance of at least 1,400 light-years, it blazes with the intensity of 48,000 suns. This morning, spot Mercury, Moon, and Venus before sunup. Locate the stars of the Summer Triangle this morning and again this evening. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.